Hello, class 9 students. Coming with a third part of my video with topics linear equation in two variable, chapter 4. I welcome you all. Exercise 4.3, question number 6. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units and the distance traveled by the body is 0 unit. Now the solution, as in the question given that work done by the body of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body. So work done directly proportional to the distance traveled means if this work done is increased, distance also increase. If this one decrease, distance also decrease, directly proportional. Let the work done by the body be y and the distance traveled by the body be x. Then we can, in place of work done, we will write y in directly proportional distance travel x. Now in equation form, we will write y equal constant force into distance travel, that is x. Then implies y equal constant force is given 5 unit. So 5 into distance travel x. So the linear equation in two variable is y equal 5 into x. Now in the first here given distance travel 2 unit. So distance travel x is given 2 unit. Then the work done will be 5 to the 10. So when the x is given 2 unit, work done is 10. Similarly, when distance travel x equal 0 unit given 0 unit, then 5 into 0, 0 means x is 0, y 0. Now we will plot this one in a graph paper. Here you see our from the earlier equation we got this point 2, 0, 2, 10 and 0, 0. Now we will plot this one in a graph paper. First we draw the x, so x axis, x dash axis, y or y dash axis, and taking this 10 small square equal 2 unit. This must 10 small square equal 2, 2 plus 2, 4, next 10, another 2, 4. In this way, in the y-axis also 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in this way. Taking 10 small square equal 2 units. Now we will plot this one. X is given 2, y is 10. So x 2 and y is 10. This is our first point, 2, 10. Next one is 0, 0. 0, 0 means both the coordinates are on the origin. This is the 0, 0. Now we join these 2 points by a line PQ. So this is the graph of our equation y equal 5x. Now students, exercise 4.3, question number 7.1. The question is, Jamini and Fatima, two students of class 9 of a school, together contributed rupees 100 towards Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. You may take the contribution as rupees x and rupees y. Draw the graph of the same. Now, two students are contributing together 100 rupees. So we will denote the amount of individual students by two variables. Jamini's contribution rupees x and Fatima's contribution amount be rupees y. Now x plus y equal 100. So this is the linear equation in two variable. Now from this one, let x equal 50, then 50 plus y equal 100, y equal 100 plus 50 will come this side, minus 50, 100 minus 50, 50. So when x is 50, y also 50, 50, 50. Next, if x is 40, then in place of x, I wrote 40. Taking the 40 on another side, minus 40, 100 minus 40 is 60. So when x is 40, y is 60. Similarly, let x equal 20. So in place of x 20 plus y equal 100, then y equal 100 plus 20 will come this side, minus 100 minus 20, 80. So when x is 20, y is 80. Now from this table we will draw a graph. We already prepare the table. From the table we will plot the graph. In a graph paper we will draw first the x-axis and y-axis, as already you learned this one. And taking 10 small square equal 10 unit, means this 10 small square equal 10 units. 10 plus 10, 20, 30, 40 in this way. After 10 small square we will add 10, 10, 10. In the both axes we will draw like this, taking 10 small square equal 10 units. Now we will plot this, the first points 50, x 50, y 50, x 50 and y 50. You see, this one is our first point. Second one is 40, x 40, y 60, x 40 and y 60. This is our second point. Third point is 20, 80, x 20 and y is 80. Now after getting these 3 points, I join these 3 points by a straight line PQ, and this is the graph of the given equation x plus y equal 100. Same exercise 4.3, question number 2. If the present age of son and father are represented by x and y respectively, after 10 years father will be twice as old as his son. Write a linear equation of the information and draw the graph. Here given the present age of son is x, given already, and present age of father is y. So in solution we will write present age of son be x and the present age of father be y years. After 10 years, after 10-year age of son will be more, x plus 10, and after 10 years age of father will be also more, y plus 10. Now sons twice the age of son means 2 times the son's age. 2 into x plus 10 equal father's age, y plus 10. 2 into x twice x, 2 10s are 20, y plus equal y plus 10, and 2x plus y will bring this side minus y plus 20, and bringing this plus 10 from right side to left side minus 10 equals 0. Then 2x minus y, 20 minus 10 is plus 10 equals 0. This is the linear equation. From this equation we will draw the table first. Suppose in place of x, if you take 10, now from the linear equation 2x minus y plus 10 equals 0, we will make a table. So let x equal 10. So 2x minus y plus 10 equals 0. This is the equation. In place of x, you see I have written 10. Then 2 10s are 20 minus y plus 10 equals 0. 20 plus 10, 30 minus y equals 0. Then y equal plus 30 when come this side minus 30. Both side minus cancel, then y equal 30. So when x is 10, y is 30. Similarly, when x is 20, 2 into 20, 40 minus y plus 10 equals 0. 40 plus 10, 50, plus 50 when come this side minus, and both side minus, so cancel, y equal 50. So when x is 20, y is 50. Similarly, if x equal 15, in place of x I wrote 15, 15 to the 30, 30 plus 10, 40. When 40 come this side minus 40, both sides cancel, then y equal 40. When x is 15, y is 40. Now from this table we will draw a graph. This is our table. So first we will draw x-axis and y-axis by now taking 10 small square equal 10 unit. 10 small square equal 10, another 10 small square 10, 10 plus 10 20 in x-axis as well as in the y-axis also same 10 small square equal 10. Now x 10 and y 30, x plus 10 y 30. This is our first point. Next one is x 20 y 50, x 20 and y 50, y you see 50. Next x 15 and y 40. 15 means 10 and 20, in between 10 and 20 this one is 15. 15 and 40 is this one. So this is the third point. Now we will join this 3 point by a straight line, and this is the our required graph of the given equation. Same exercise 4.3, question number 3. If the cost of 5 tables exceed, means more, the cost of 8 chair by rupees 150, then by taking the cost of chair rupees x and the cost of table rupees y from a linear equation and draw its graph. You see here, cost of one chair is given here, assumed to be rupees x, and cost of one table rupees y. So in the solution we will write cost of a chair be rupees x and cost of a chair rupees x. Then cost of how many chair given? 8 chair. Cost of one chair is x, so cost of 8 chair is rupees 8x. 8 into x, 8x. Similarly, cost of one table is y. Then cost of 5 table is 5 into y, 5y. Now, in the question, cost of 5 table. So cost of 5 table, 5y. Exceed cost of 8 chair. Cost of 8 chair is 8x. Exceed means more, plus how much more? 150. So 5y equal 8x plus 150. Now next line implies 5y plus 8x will come this side, minus 8x plus 150 will come this side, minus 150 equal 0. This is the linear equation in two variables. Now we will make a table from this equation. Now let take, suppose x equal 100. So 5y minus 8x minus 150 equals 0. Next implies 5y minus 8 into x means 100. 8 into 100 minus 150 equals 0. Next implies 5y minus 8 into 100, 800 minus 150 equals 0. Then 5y minus 8 minus plus 850 plus 150, 950 equals 0. Next line implies 5y equal minus 950 will come this side, plus 950. Then next line y equal 950 divided by 5 is divided 190. So when x is 100, y is 190. Similarly, when x is 200, let x equal 200. Then 5y minus 8 into 200 minus 150 equals 0. 5y minus 8 into 200 is 1600 minus 150 equals 0. Then 5y minus plus 1600 plus 150 is 1750. Since the 1600 is greater, so negative sign equals 0. Then 5y minus 1750 will come this side, plus 1750. Then y equal 1750 divided by 5 is 350. So another 2 points, 200 and 350 we got. Next, if the x equal 400, then same equation, in place of 5y minus 8 into 400 minus 150 equals 0. 5y 400 into 8, 8 into 400, 3200 minus 150 equals 0. 5y minus, here minus plus, so 3200 minus plus 150 is 3350 equals 0. 5y equal minus 3350 will come this side, plus y equal 3350 divided by 5 is 670. So another 2 point we got here. Now from this table we will plot the graph. Now from the table x 100 and y 190. First, after drawing the x-axis and y-axis, taking 10 small square equal 100 unit. 10 small square equal 100. 100 plus 100 200, then plus 100 300. In the y-axis also 10 small square equal 100. 100 plus 100 200 300 400 500 like that. Means 10 small square is equal 100 on both the axes. Now first points are given x 100, y 190. X you see 100, then y is, this is up to this much is 100, and this one is 200, then one square below this one is 190. So 100 190 first point. Second one is 200 and 350. 200 and 350 is in between 300 and 400, the middle one. This one is 350. Second point. The last point 400 and 670. For x 400 and y is 600. This one is 650, 60, 70. Means one small square is 10. So this one is 670. Now we will join these 3 points by a straight line, and this is the required graph of the equation, linear equation.